I am addressing all our Filipino communities that have organized the nation's prayer for PRRD, particularly those that have gathered in New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut under the Patriotic Filipinos. Those in Washington, D.C., led by Attorney Valera, together with those in Queensland chapter, Brisbane community in Australia. I thank you all for your patriotism. I am addressing as well those who organize Bring PRRD Home, led by PDP Laban International. Also stationed in New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut, including the other groups in Europe, in Asia, and elsewhere who have mobilized multitudes in support of the global initiative to bring PRRD home as soon as possible. I appeal to all to be more steadfast in this most trying time in the history of our country. We need every Filipino, wherever he is, to prove his worth and help our nation overcome this emerging crisis by demonstrating our courage as well as our collective fortitude to stay above the realm of politics in order to save our nation from the brink of moral bankruptcy and political malaise. Stay safe, stay united, mabuhay po kayong lahat. Mahalin natin ang Pilipinas, ibalik natin ang Pangulong Digong as soon as possible.